Have you ever felt overwhelmed by life struggles, a nagging headache, a moment of anxiety, or just the weight of a long, stressful day? What if I told you that every single one of those moments, no matter how small, holds a hidden blessing? The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, gave us a perspective that can completely change how we view our pain. He said, "No Muslim is afflicted with pain, sickness, anxiety, grief, or even something as small as the prick of a thorn, except that Allah erases their sins because of it." Just pause and think about that. The tiny sting of a needle, the worry that keeps you up at night, the grief that feels unbearable, every single bit of it is seen by Allah. And not only is it seen, but it becomes a source of immense forgiveness and mercy. It's a transaction of divine grace, where your pain is exchanged for your purification. This is why the companions of the Prophet embraced hardship with such profound patience. They had a secret understanding. They didn't see suffering as a punishment or a sign that Allah was displeased with them. Far from it. They saw it as a spiritual cleansing, a way to polish their souls. For them, every hardship was an opportunity to return to Allah lighter, cleaner, and closer to Him. Imagine this powerful image. A believer who navigates life's storms with patience and trust might one day stand before their Creator as pure as a newborn baby, completely free of sins, renewed, and ready for eternal peace in Jannah. It's a beautiful thought, isn't it? This is one of the most unique and empowering teachings in Islam. While the world often views suffering as a random, meaningless part of life, Islam transforms it. It's not just something to be endured, it's a vehicle for spiritual growth, a test of faith, and a source of incredible strength. True strength in Islam isn't about avoiding pain. It's about how you respond to it. Suffering doesn't weaken a believer, it forges them. It builds resilience, deepens their trust in Allah's plan, and refines their heart until it shines brightly with faith. So, the next time you find yourself in a moment of pain, whether it's physical or emotional, try not to think that Allah has forgotten you. Instead, bring this teaching of the Prophet to mind. Remind yourself that there is a divine wisdom at play. He is purifying you, elevating your status, and preparing you for something far greater and more beautiful in the life to come. Embrace your hardships with patience, knowing they are not here to break you, but to build you. Every trial you face isn't just a struggle. It's a hidden gift, a direct pathway to forgiveness, and a step that brings you closer to your eternal home. This is Quran Motiv, where every ayah and every hadith becomes a source of inspiration for your soul. Thank you for watching. If this message resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more reflections.